For you contractors out there, to quickly access all the information most important to you, click on the Contractor button on the home page or go to the Contractor drop-down menu on the top navigation bar. There you'll find on-the-go tech support. With just a few clicks, you can review the tools and best practices before you install a GREE. With some quick tip training videos, and troubleshoot any error code with step-by-step instructions. Or access the System Builder app to help you build the right GREE system for your customer. Documentation. Need a submittal or a sales brochure? Go to the system documentation and you will find everything you need in one place. Parts. Go to the parts lookup page to search for the exact part you will need for a GREE product. In our rebate section, simply type in the zip code in your area and all the latest rebates appear by product model. Finally, don't forget to sign up for a GREE Select dealer and register your latest projects for the 10-year warranty. All this can be done from the same drop-down menu.